Hi all and welcome back to another exciting video by Crypto Bros. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe our YouTube channel and to activate your bells so you can receive notifications and can be up to date. And remember that we don't intend to give any financial advice. We just analyze different recent projects that we consider interesting, original, trendy or whatever, but please do your own researches before you invest on them. And on this occasion, we are going to talk about polarnodes, which is a trendy node project based on Avalanche AVAX network. So if you are operating through your MetaMask wallet, as we do, don't forget to change your network to operate with AVAX or Avalanche network. And without further delay, we are going to analyze their Twitter account. As we can see, they are about to reach the amazing amount of 13,000 followers, which is very great, bearing in mind that they joined on October 2021. On their Discord channel, they are the half, more or less, they are around 6,000 supporters, but they are a great community, a very joint community, and maybe this is the success of this project, which is raising today around 40%, and the moderators are very helpful. So we are going to check the landing page, and as we can see, we've got different things to check, and from my point of view, the most important is the manifesto, where you can find the mission, the vision, the values of this project, and they are very incisive. They are very focused on that there is not going to be any kind of rug pull, and this is not a scam. They are trying to protect their community, and they talk about the audits and the multi-sig and the locking of the liquidity and so on. So please take a look to these documents because are pretty interesting before investing, as we have mentioned before. And then the most important thing is how to buy these tokens so you can create your nodes. And basically you have to go to Trader Joe, this platform. You have to check this, and you will be able to buy with your AVAX that you have previously bought on another platform such as Binance, for instance, and then you can swap them to Polar. Okay, so once that you've got your Polars on your MetaMask or your Trust Wallet or whatever, you will be able to create your nodes. So we will go to the launching app, which is here, we will connect our wallet, please remember, on the AVAX network, and then we will be able to create different nodes with a cost of 55 times the price of the Polar token. So we are going to check the price. We can see it on the Polar chart here on the screener. As we can see right now, it is increasing at 33%. And if we check the price of this 1 month of life of this project, as we can see, this is one of the projects that has been very established. So in 1 month, there have been some peaks, there have been some rising, some pumps and some dumps, but this is a very established project so far, and which is something very important in these node projects. So, well, here, as we can see, the yield is around $1 per day. So we have created, as you can see here, a small Excel, so you can analyze, depending on the nodes that you have created, how much return are you going to receive in 1 month, in 2 months, and in 6 months. And we have decided to put 6 months and not 1 year because we don't know what is gonna happen in long term, and we consider that 6 months is a fair enough time to have realistic expectations. Okay, so as you can see, the number that you need to multiply per the token is 55 in all of the cases, and then the price is around $3.75. So you would have to invest, if you want to create one node right now, $206 more or less, and the monthly return will be around $112. And as you can see, in 2 months you will receive a little bit more than your initial invest. investment, which is not bad. And in 6 months, you are multiplying by 3. So it is interesting. It all depends on the quantity and always on the amount that you have invested in an initial moment, and always that the price don't decrease. But as we have seen, it is very established, at least this first month. So if you can afford to create 10 nodes, for instance, you will invest $4,000 and you will receive around 13.5 thousand dollars, which is pretty good. And that's all. And here we can find that have been created more than 25,000 nodes, which is a great amount. Bear in mind that this project has only 1 month of life. And here finally you can claim your rewards, and that's all. So see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.